Did you know plants are made of powerful living cells?
This is a plant cell, the basic unit of plant life. The cell wall gives strength and protection. The central vacuole stores water and maintains shape. Chloroplasts perform photosynthesis to make food. The nuclei controls all cell activities and stores DNA. Mitochondria produce energy for the cell. The Golgi apparatus packages proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in protein and lipid transport. Ribosomes make proteins. Without plant cells, life on Earth wouldn't exist.